Hey there. So, if you've ever stood there looking at your carpet and felt totally lost about how to actually get it clean, you've come to the right place. Today, we're going to demystify the 6 main ways professionals clean carpets. Right? We've all been there. You've got spills, you've got stains, you've got that general dinginess from daily life. But which cleaning method is the one for you? Is it steam cleaning? Dry cleaning? What even is encapsulation? It can feel like a real puzzle. But don't you worry, because that's exactly why we're here. In the next few minutes, we are going to break it all down and give you a super simple, clear guide to picking the perfect method for your space. Okay, let's jump in. So the secret to solving this whole puzzle is actually pretty simple. You just need to know that all 6 of these methods really fall into one of 2 main groups. It all just comes down to what you're trying to do and how fast you need it done. And here they are. On one hand, you've got your deep cleaning methods. These use a lot more water to really get down into the carpet fibers and pull out all that hidden gunk. And on the other hand, you've got surface maintenance methods. These use very little or even no moisture for a quick routine clean. That's it. Understanding this one difference is the key to everything. So let's start with the heavy hitters, shall we? The deep cleaning methods. These are what you call in when your carpet doesn't just need a clean, it needs a total refresh.
And we're going to kick it off with the one you've probably heard of, hot water extraction, better known as steam cleaning. This is pretty much the gold standard for a deep clean. A machine blasts a mix of hot water and cleaning solution deep into the carpet, which loosens up everything, and then a super powerful vacuum just sucks it all away.
Now, the thing about steam cleaning is the trade-off. It is incredibly, incredibly effective. I mean, it gets rid of deep dirt, allergens, bacteria, the works. But all that water means it takes a lot longer to dry. And because it's such a powerful process, this is one you really want to leave to the pros. All right, next up in our deep clean arsenal is classic shampooing. You can think of this one as more of a scrub. A machine with a big rotary brush works a foamy cleaning solution way down into the carpet, really agitating the fibers to lift out that heavy, ground-in grime. This makes it an absolute beast for seriously soiled carpets. You know, if you've got kids or pets, you know the kind of mystery stains I'm talking about. But just like steam cleaning, you've got to plan ahead for that drying time and make sure you get some air moving through the room. Okay, so let's shift gears. What if you don't need that deep restorative clean and you definitely don't have hours and hours to wait for it to dry? Well, that's where the quick maintenance methods come in. And first up is a really clever one called encapsulation. It's a pretty modern technique. You apply a special polymer solution, and as it dries, it actually forms tiny crystals around the dirt particles. It encapsulates them. Then you just come back and vacuum it all up. Simple as that. And you can immediately see why this is so popular in commercial spaces like offices and hotels. The drying time is super fast, and it's a great way to keep carpets looking good and extend their life between those deep cleans. It might not get out a super old set and stain, but for regular upkeep, it's a game changer. Another speedy option is bonnet cleaning. Honestly, the easiest way to picture this is to think of it like you're mopping your carpet. A machine uses this big, absorbent, rotating pad, that's the bonnet, and it basically wipes the dirt right off the surface of the carpet fibers. So let's be really clear here. This is all about appearances. It's quick and it's effective for making the surface look fresh and clean, which is perfect for high traffic areas. But you have to remember, it's not actually cleaning deep down. It's a cosmetic fix. And finally, we have dry compound cleaning. This method is fascinating. It uses a powder that's basically like millions of tiny little sponges. You sprinkle it over the carpet, a machine works it in, it absorbs all the dirt, and then you just vacuum it all up. And its biggest superpower is right there in the name. It is dry. We're talking 0 drying time required. You can walk on the carpet the second the cleaning is done. This makes it absolutely perfect for delicate carpets or any busy area that just can't be shut down. Okay, we've made it through all 6 methods. So now let's bring it all together and make this decision process as easy as possible for you. For so many of us, this is the bottom line, right? How long until I can use my room again? And wow, this chart really puts it into perspective. You've got dry cleaning over here with 0 wait time, and then all the way at the other end, a deep clean, like hot water extraction, could take 8 hours or even more to fully dry. And here it is. This is your official cheat sheet. Seriously, if you're going to screenshot one thing, make it this. It lays everything out. Need a deep clean for some serious grime? Hot water extraction is your go-to. Need to quickly freshen up a busy office with absolutely no downtime? Dry compound is the answer. It's all right here. And I love this quote because it shows you how the pros think. They don't just pick one method and stick with it. They use a combination. They might use the deep cleaning power of hot water extraction once or twice a year and then maintain it with the efficiency of encapsulation. It's about using the right tool for the right job. And that is the absolute core lesson here. It's not about which method is the best. It's about which method is the best for your specific mission. Are you trying to restore a carpet to its former glory? Or are you just doing a quick refresh? Your answer tells you exactly which method to choose. So now you know, you've got 6 different options in your toolbox, ready to tackle any carpet situation that comes your way. No more confusion, just clear choices. So, the next time you're looking at your carpet, you'll know exactly what to do. And that just leaves us with one last question to think about. Now that you know how to get it clean, what's your plan for keeping it that way? Thanks for tuning in.